It's a salad roll extravaganza coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. If you've never visited before, please subscribe to our website. Please take a few moments and visit our YouTube channel, and then please have a conversation with the ever incredible Carol Bugazzi, our head of social media. She's manning the stations on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Now, once you've done all of that, why not listen up, because I'm going to share a wonderful recipe for salad rolls. It truly is an extravaganza. A couple things you're going to need to do in advance of this recipe. Number one, how about making the Emperor's peanut sauce? Click here for our City Slicker recipe on how to make this very peanutty and flavorful sauce. You'll need that to dip your salad rolls in. You may also wish to click another City Slicker video to try the Empress's chili sauce. This one, a little bit more liquid. Oh, it's so spicy and fabulous. Two different dipping sauces you'll need once you get done making our salad rolls. Again, just click up through our City Slicker playlist and you'll be able to make these two sauces. Now, what we're going to do now is I want to show you how to make these very easy to prepare. Well, wait, they're easy to roll up, but there's a little bit of time you're going to need to assemble these beautiful salad rolls. You're going to need rice paper rolls, and these are little rice paper kind of circles. You purchase them in a package of 12. To begin the recipe, I like to take a pie plate, fill it with warm water, and then you place your wrapper into the pie plate for only about 30 seconds. After your rice paper has soaked for a little bit, we're going to take it out of the water, place it down onto a dampened dish towel. When you go to make your healthy salad rolls at home, select your favorite vegetables or use some of our suggestions. How about some little radish baton, little bits of carrot, tofu, right? These are totally vegetarian, so the tofu is going to boost your protein, shaved asparagus, red pepper, great color combination, and then little bits of mini cucumber. These look fabulous. I also chopped up some Savoy cabbage. I have some mango, a little bit of green onion or scallion, chopped fresh mint, essential in this recipe. And then I also did an assortment of greens. I have some sunflower microgreens, wheatgrass. This is really interesting. Cilantro. Cilantro is essential in this flavor as well, but these are cilantro microgreens. These little guys and girls are barely out of the ground. Oh, and like popping with flavor. And then finally, if you can find it, Thai basil also works. To wrap up your roll then, we have our dampened wrapper. Add your vegetables. We're going to be rolling this way, so I run my ingredients in that same direction so that they lay nice and flat within. I also do an assortment of colors as I'm laying down on top. Because the wrapper is translucent, you want it to be a really vibrant look when people first get their first take on how gorgeous this is. Instead of all this yammering, how about I show you? Let me assemble a couple for you to see, then I'll do a final presentation, present it with our two beautiful sauces, and I know you're going to want to make this recipe real soon. Are you ready for Nick the Wrapper? Here we go. Now that I've finished all the rolls, I've cut them in half and placed them out on an attractive service piece like this. Nice to serve with a little bit of extra herb or a fresh squeeze of lime. Ultimately though, when you go to enjoy these, it's all about dipping sauces. So whichever you choose, one or both, I think you're going to want to try both. These salad rolls are truly remarkable. Couple things to recap really quickly. Number one, they're vegetarian. Number two, they're loaded with protein thanks to the addition of tofu. Number three, don't get too complicated. Fresh, crisp, multicolored vegetables are the order of the day. I am going to take one half of my roll. I'm going to dip in there into the Emperor's peanut sauce to give you a sense of flavor. My mouth is watering, as you know, always. Wow, you are going to have great success with it. One final thought as I'm enjoying this: if you're heading away for the weekend, need a healthy snack in the car, forget about fast food stuff. Have a bunch of these in a little container in the car and dip and drive as you go along. What a fantastic recipe. You just gotta make it. I know you're going to enjoy. After that, you know what to do. Please come on back and hang out again soon. We're having a great time. See you soon. Take care. No double dipping. No double dipping, Nick. Have we stopped? Can I have more? Oh, fantastic. Perfect.